Hello students. There are so many students who send me a message through WhatsApp that they are not able to calculate national income through value added method. Because of those students, I am going to upload again value added method. I am just giving you recapitulation how to calculate value added method. Value added method is known as two name others, product method and output method. Product method and output method. From value added method, we are able to calculate GVA at the rate of MP. What is the meaning of GVA at the rate of MP? Gross value added at the market price. Gross value added at the market price, which is equivalent to GDP at the rate of MP. GDP, it means gross domestic product at the rate of MP. Gross value added at the rate of market price is equivalent to GDP at the rate of MP. It means from this method we are able to calculate GDP at the rate of MP, which is known as in this method GVA at the rate of MP. Clear? I hope all of you are clear. For calculating GVA at the rate of MP, first of all we have to calculate gross value of output at the rate of MP. Gross value of output, it means it is known as value of output also. We can say value of output, and the short form of GVO at the rate of MP. The short form of it, that is GVO at the rate of MP. What is the short form of it? I am writing it here. GVO at the rate of MP. It is also known as value of output. Clear? Now, how to calculate GVO at the rate of MP? Sales plus change in stock. Sales plus change in stock. If in the question domestic sales are given, listen me carefully. If in the question it is given domestic sales, then you have to add export. Clear? If in the question it is given domestic sales, then add exports, then you are able to find out total sales. If in the question it is given sales, write it as it is sales plus change in stock. How to calculate change in stock? I told you a number of times. Closing stock minus opening stock. Closing stock minus opening stock. Add it. Sales plus change in stock. We are able to find out gross value of output. GVO at the rate of MP. Clear? Now, second formula, what we are going to apply, GVA at the rate of MP. In this question, in this method, we are going to apply three formula. First of all, gross value of output. Second, gross value added at the rate of market price. Gross value added at the market price, how to calculate? GVO we have calculated from here. Clear? We have calculated GVO from here. GVO at the rate of MP minus intermediate consumption. How to calculate? GVA at the rate of market price. GVO at the rate of MP minus intermediate consumption. GVA, what is the short form of gross value added at the market price? That is GVA at the rate of market price. How to calculate GVO at the rate of MP minus intermediate consumption. Clear? Now, IC. What is the short form of intermediate consumption? IC. IC can be given of few names, intermediate goods. That is also known as intermediate consumption. In intermediate consumption, they can give purchase of raw material. Take its intermediate consumption. Purchase of non-factor inputs, it is also known as IC. If in the question that is given purchase of factor inputs or purchase of machinery, it is not an intermediate consumption. Clear? Now, third, which we are going to apply, that is net value added at the rate of factor cost. How to calculate? All of you know, from G to N, gross to N, minus depreciation, GV at the rate of MP, gross to net. How we are going to calculate? Minus depreciation. Now value to value we are not going to do anything. A to A we are not going to do anything. Now MP to factor cost. Gross to net minus depreciation. B to V we are not able to do anything. We are not supposed to do anything. A to A, that is also we are not going to do anything. Market price minus NIT equal to factor cost. MP, how to convert MP into factor cost minus NIT. So NVA at the rate of factor cost, how we are going to calculate? GVA at the rate of MP minus depreciation minus NIT. Clear? It means you have to do three formulas. You have to learn first GVO at the rate of MP, GVA at the rate of MP, and net value added at the factor cost. GVO, how to calculate sales plus change in stock. Clear? You have to learn that only sales plus change in stock. How to calculate GVA, GVO MP minus IC. Clear? Now net value added GVA at the rate of MP minus depreciation minus net indirect taxes. Clear? Now I am going to solve the question of related topic. You just noted down these formulas and then we are going to solve it. Here we are going to solve two questions, how to calculate NVA at the rate of FC, and from this method so many indirect questions they are giving. So I will let you know how to calculate sales and other things. Now, in this question that is given, calculate net value added at the rate of factor cost. Clear? For that they have given first sales. All of you have just noted down the question, sales. Second, they have given depreciation, that is 80. Third, they have given change in stock. Here change in stock they have given minus 30. Fourth, they have given intermediate consumption IC. What is there? 1000. Now export, which is 150, and last that is given indirect taxes, which is given 40. Clear? Now in this question just see what we have to add to calculate net value added at the rate of factor cost. Before calculating these questions, you just write the formulas. First formula which I told you, GVO at the rate of MP. All of you know what is your formula? Sales plus change in stock. Right now I told you only. Clear? Second formula, that is GVA at the rate of MP. How to calculate GVO at the rate of MP minus IC. Clear? Third, that is NVA at the rate of FC. How to calculate? GVA at the rate of MP minus depreciation minus indirect tax, net indirect tax. Clear? Now, first of all, what we have to calculate? GVO at the rate of MP. How much it is given? 1760 plus change in stock, that is given in minus 30. Clear? Now calculate GVO at the rate of MP. 1760 minus 30 equal to 1730. Clear? Anyone who have a doubt? That is GVO at the rate of MP. Make it sure. If in the question it is given domestic sales, then only export has to be added. Clear? If in the question it is given domestic sales, then you are supposed to add export. But here it is given sales. It means we are assuming that in sales, total sales, it is included domestic sales as well as export. Clear? GVO at the rate of MP 1730. Now GVO at the rate of MP. GVO at the rate of MP, you have already calculated 1730 minus IC. How much IC it is given intermediate consumption? 1000. Clear? GVO at the rate of MP, how much we are going to calculate? 730. Clear? Now, what we have to calculate? NV at the rate of FC. GVA at the rate of MP, that is 730 minus depreciation. How much it is given? 80 minus net indirect taxes. How much it is given? 40. Now calculate 730 minus 120. 610. That will be your answer. Clear? That will be your answer. I hope all of you have understood now how to calculate NVA at the rate of FC. First of all, the key factor of this, how to solve the question of this method, you have to write 3 formula as it is and then start doing your answers. Start doing your solution. Clear? Now note it down. I will explain you one more question. If in the question it is given sales or intermediate consumption is going to be asked to calculate. First of all, note it down. I hope all of you have noted down. Now I am going to rub it. Next question we are going to solve. If in the question it is asked how to calculate sales. Suppose in this question they have asked calculate sales. For that they have given few information. First, subsidies, that is 100. Second, opening stock, it is given 200. Third, closing stock, it is given 600. Fourth, intermediate consumption equal to 2000. Fifth, that is depreciation, which is given in your question 500. Sixth, net value added at the rate of factor cost, they have given 2500. Clear? Now, first of all, what you have to do, you have to write three formulas which I have told you right now as it is. First of all, GVO at the rate of MP equal to sales plus change in stock. Clear? Second, what we have to write, GVA at the rate of MP. GVO at the rate of MP minus IC. And third formula, write it, which was NVA at the rate of FC equal to GVA at the rate of MP minus depreciation minus net indirect taxes. Clear? First of all, what you have to do, what is, just see what you have to calculate, sales. You have to calculate sales, and what it is given in the question, NV at the rate of FC, it means net value added at the rate of factor cost. It is given in the question 2500. This question we are going to start reverse. Clear? Reverse. It means NV at the rate of FC, it is given 2500. From this method we are able to calculate GVA at the rate of MP minus depreciation. How much it is given? 500 minus net indirect taxes. Indirect taxes, it is not given in question. How to calculate? NIT equal to IT minus subsidies. IT it is not given. Assume that is 0, 100. It means net indirect taxes will be minus 100. So, clear? GVA at the rate of MP will be GVO at the rate of MP. How to calculate? That is 2500 plus 500 minus 100. Because plus plus minus plus, and if you are going to do calculate, that will be minus 2500 plus 500, 3000 minus 100, that is 2900. Clear? What we are going, we have calculated GVA at the rate of MP. Post this value here, 2900. Now this method we are able to calculate GVO at the rate of MP minus IC. How much it is given? 2000. Clear? Now GVO at the rate of MP equal to 2900 plus 2000. How much it is? 4900. What will be there? GVO at the rate of MP. Post this value here, GVO at the rate of MP equal to sales we have to calculate. Change in stock, all of you know, closing stock minus opening stock. Change in stock, how to calculate? I am calculating here only. Although all of you know closing stock minus opening stock. Closing stock 600 minus 200 equal to 400. Clear? Now sales equal to 4900 plus will be converted in minus. Now sales will be 4500. This will be your answer. If in the question it is given calculate sales, intermediate consumption, what to do? You have to do, you have to write the three formulas and start your question inverse. So you will be able to calculate your answer very easily. Now I will upload same questions of related topic. It means I am going to upload the questions of related topic. You just try to solve it. Still if you are facing any kind of problem, just let me know. I will try to explain you again. Clear? Now thank you.